The gently undulating territory has in the skyline a big tower. 1, 2, 3. I think this is perhaps the 5G tower. Let me zoom on it. I have a message from an environmentalist in Lucknow, India. If this tower and others like it are responsible for very sparse population of birds in this forest, if it be so, it will be a game changer for the environmental issues and the discussions about 5G, to have it or not to have it, will gain momentum. I don't remember ever seeing a forest in the world where I've been to forests in Europe, Australia, Africa, and obviously India. And also I've seen forests earlier in USA during my two visits in 2006, 7 and 13. I don't remember when I missed the birds here in USA. This time I distinctly missed the birds. My family and others are not willing to believe that the birds have gone sparse. But fact is this, the birds are very feebly chirping. Now also I can hear a very small chirp. We were hearing very frequent musical chirping of the birds. In my flat in India, outside my flat in the corner, I have around 25 trees, but those trees are not this thick, this dense. Those trees are not at all trees where I can say which is supporting a huge population of birds. But yet, the number of birds is so much that even if we want to sleep around by over 6 o'clock, we are woken up by the birds. Here, I agree, the doors are soundproof, so the sound of chirping may not reach indoors that quick, but nevertheless, birds chirping is visibly less, and bird population, as I saw yesterday in Hopkinton Park, State Park, 2 big water bodies, a rock-filled dam, and yet birds on the water or away from the water were visibly less than the birds should have been. Such thick forest covers, such thick forest covers all over. And I walk through every morning. I miss those little friends who would be so friendly, so active, and so visible.